and thinking about breakfast. Egg, bacon, American cheese, soft, toasted, buttered roll. Just a dash of hot sauce.
Not too much, Sal. I want to taste the cheese.
What a way to start my new life. With the perfect egg sandwich.
My hands just won't.
You're a lifesaver, Sal.
I love you.
And I'm good for the 75 cents, okay? I promise. That's all the money I got in the world, and it's so worth it.
I don't know if it's the stray Armenian arm hair or the fact that his cheese slices are always 6 months out of date, but no one makes an egg sandwich like Sal.
I mean it, Sal. No one.